Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your SONY KD-43X TV to the Wi-Fi. First, press the settings button on your remote control to open settings. Navigate to all settings menu and open it. Then navigate to network and internet menu and open it. Then here you'll find the list of available networks that you can connect to on your TV. Just select the network that you need, or if you don't see it here, tap See All, and then select the network and provide the password to it using an on-screen keyboard by navigating with your D-pad arrow keys and selecting the letter or the character with the central D-pad button. And once you enter the password, navigate to OK button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select OK and wait until you are connected to this network. If you see this notification, that means that your connection is successful. If you have some troubles connecting to your Wi-Fi network, we have a separate video about troubleshooting this issue, so you're highly welcome to check it out. But at this point, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.